So we're currently in Bristol. Hope everyone's doing well. Heading to quite a large Honda and Triumph shop, I believe. Which will be a bit of fun. It's fucking hot, so I'm going to visor up. Don't really know where I'm going, but I recognise this. Fun. It's fucking busy though. First time properly riding in the city. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
So yeah, we're currently 2 up, by the way. Forgot to mention. We've got 4 minutes.
Nice.
It's pretty central, isn't it?
Yeah, it's mad central. I think it's just over the bridge past Templemead, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking Templemead. So
Is it? Oh right, okay. Yeah, it says down here on the right, so you go down round that.
It goes round and then,
Yeah. Yeah, we're cruising. Harley bro approved. Hey?
There she is.
Oh yeah, right there. Nice. They got some posh bikes. I'm excited. And there's a massive Honda shop as well. Where am I going to go? There's a few spaces behind that trailer. Oh yeah, around the front. Bit of fun. Next to the van.
Yeah, look at that place.
Right then, wanna hop off? Really nice. Big fan. I want to see a Thruxton. I wonder if they've got a Thruxton in here. Some Yams. Oh, they got a lot of Yams by the looks. I mean, Honda's ridiculous. The Rocket GT.
That's crazy.
Yeah. The Ninken. Crazy. Yeah. I don't like that. It looks very plastic. Looks like a car.
Oh yeah. What's it like? Car down sheet.
Yeah. Turn that for test.
Yeah, this is not right. Tracing on.
But then, do you get 10 race now?
I fucking really like it. That's what the
Yeah, they are beautiful.
Yeah, they're fucking
The best.
Tenors.
They look so good. It's just I don't know if it's got enough coverage. Like, it's not like, is it Toro? I'm not sure. Like, you could probably get a bigger screen. You get a bigger screen for it.
Yeah, fucking nice.
I love the dash. It's like a portrait kind of Dakar style dash.
Oh yeah.
Like the portrait little. Yeah. It's nice. I mean, like the money. Yeah. Proper brilliant. 10k, 107 a month.
Yeah. £2.5 grand deposit.
Yeah. But then it's not. You wouldn't own it, would you? There'd be a massive down payment at the end. It's like proper wise. Look at that. That's disgusting. Saw these the other day, the Touareg. The new, they're like basically a take on the Tenere. I think they're quite smart. I like the light on it, the like weird little smiley face.
Yeah.
They're all electric and I'm scared by them, so I'm not going to.
That's just all you
Do you want to Should we look at that?
Absolute scam.
Oh right, scam.
That's what it says.
That looks cool.
Does look cool, doesn't it?
Is that practical? They look crazy.
This one is good for commuting. This one is our extreme, is good for commuting.
Yeah, I mean they actually look really good.
Our extreme.
So it's got 160 miles city range. Start stop, like slow moving. It's not fast.
Yeah.
Like if you did like a constant motorway run, it's going to be, you know, weird. They're just so pretty, aren't they? I love the swing arm. It's so nice. I wanted the RSV Millie, I think it was.
Yeah.
Is it the Millie?
The one that.
No, it's the old one. The Millie's the old one. I wanted the RSV, just the RSV Fowl.
The one that fucking McLaren.
Yeah, no, it's just like an old version of this.
Yeah.
But I'd rather pay that for that than one of them electric bikes that no one knows. I saw this, literally one of those, the Katana. It was, it's the weird one, the weird front. Look at the front on it. It's the most 80s style front you could ever get. Chop. Yeah, I like it. I think it's pretty sick. Don't get much wind protection, I bet. My issue with KTM is it goes from adventure like that, that's the 890.
Yeah.
The next one up, we'll see it in a minute. It's an we'll see it in a minute. The next one up is just an absolute dream.
Yeah.
It looks nothing like that, so it's like the step is just insane. That's nice. That's the new SV. That's really nice. They haven't made these for a while.
Yeah.
They did them in like 2008 whatever it was. Don't mind that front end. Do you like it? I think it looks like a landslide.
It does look like a landslide.
So is that 890 or is that 3? Then there's that. Oh yeah, that is one. And there's the 790 though.
Yeah.
And it goes to that.
12.
That's the super adventure.
Yeah.
That's like the one. Yeah. Or this. I mean, I think that one looks cool.
Yeah.
But I like the colours on this. It's quite nice. It's just the front on it. It's just all carbon. Nice. But that's the fade.
Yeah.
Definite fade. Huh?
Yeah, I said I get it.
But then is a GS better?
Well, that's the question.
That's that 90. The one. There's a guy who's got one of these.
Really?
She's got a bunch. She's got an SP-Power. She's got she owns a garage and everything. Hey, jokes?
That's what we It's like a bigger one with a kind of big shoe lifting.
Yeah. Nice.
Get a red one. Yeah, it's nice.
Harry's favourite bike? Pretty
What?
much. The G.
That, that's my word choice.
Okay. How much is it? 87?
87, yeah.
144. So nice. You have that with the 1400, blue and white.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It was immaculate. It's so nice. I mean, there's a good comparison for you, isn't there?
Yeah.
Side by side, like, damn. 150, 339. It's cheaper.
Yeah.
But then, I mean, this is exactly what Granite rides. Colourwise.
Yeah. I do fucking really like this thing.
I just like how much taller it is.
Yeah, literally.
I just like how big it is and how, like, sort of commanding it is.
Really nice.
I would have to take that panel off and change it, like or wrap it in carbon or something,
sure.
because that just does not do anything for me.
Yeah.
I think I prefer that.
Honestly, looking at two of them, I prefer that.
I think I do.
Lip-wise and that's it, I think that's...
I mean, I've never ridden one,
yeah,
so I'd have to try
it.
it. But
Yeah, of course.
what year is this? 18. Is that the new one there? I think that's the new one.
Black one.
The white.
19.
Yeah. yin, slightly different.
Yeah.
I prefer the colourway on that.
Yeah, me too.
I just don't like them in black or red that much. They're okay.
Yeah.
They are nice. All black, yeah, all black and gold, nice.
Gold is nice. I agree, the white red is the... Yes.
That is mad.
Like, I wouldn't
Yeah. I know it's not very practical.
It's probably the best. Like, German, as in like...
Well, yeah, it's nice thrust.
Pure best.
The Triumph that we like, which is the better version of that. That's a 1200.
It's crazy.
Like,
It's so good.
it's the best sort of sports bike.
Yeah.
It goes fast. It looks old and sick.
Yeah, literally. Gets like the best of both worlds. Couldn't get it out of there.
I'm not sure. There is, you can open it.
Huh?
You can open it.
Oh, really? And then it's got a seat on it.
I don't know if it's got a seat, it's just a little like cover.
Storage core cover.
I'm sure you can get a second seat.
Sure.
Oh, that's the new one. The Norden. Everyone goes nuts about this. It's beautiful. It's very short. I thought it'd be a bit longer. I don't know why, I feel like the front would have been longer.
Yeah.